Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from MKsEnglish.com, the website that helps you practice English in just a few minutes a day. I'm Mark, and today's topic is one of the most common but sometimes confusing parts of English: when to use the word the. The is what we call a definite article. That means we use it when we're talking about something specific, something definite, something we both know. Let's go through some of the most common situations where we use the word the. If both you and the listener know which things you are talking about, use the. For example, close the door, right? Or I saw the movie you recommended. You and the listener know which door, which movie, so we use the. Another way we use the is when there is only one of something. If there is only one in the whole world, we use the. For example, the Queen of England. Well, I guess it would be the King of England now. The sun is shining. Or we should protect the environment. There's only one sun. There's only one environment. England only has one king, right? We also use the with superlatives. EST, most, right? Best. For example, the best restaurant in town. Or she is the tallest person in the class. The fourth way that we use the word the is with some geographical names. And be careful, this one can be very tricky. So, for example, we use the with oceans, rivers, and seas. The Pacific Ocean, the Amazon River, right? Or we use the with groups of islands or mountains. The Philippines, the Alps, the Hawaiian Islands. We also use the with countries with plural names. The United States, the Netherlands. But we do not use the with most single name countries. For example, Japan, we don't say the Japan. Or France, we don't say the France. Lastly, we use the when we've already mentioned something previously. If we mention something for the second time, we usually use the. For example, I saw a cat in the garden. The cat was very cute. This is very similar to the first rule. Both speaker and listener know what they are talking about. The first mention, we used a cat, and the second mention was the cat. Quick tip: if you're not sure, ask yourself, do I mean something specific? If yes, use the. If no, maybe a or no article at all. I talked about that in a previous video or podcast, whichever you're listening to. And that's it for today's lesson on when to use the word the. Try listening again and making your own sentences with the to practice. And also, if you want to improve your English faster, join me for online lessons, the best online lessons, at MKsEnglish.com. I'll help you master grammar, pronunciation, and conversation so you can speak with confidence. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya!